All right, so we got this set up right here. We're looking for a push over 17 to get long. So over 17, looking for the long push back up here, and then try to get that push towards the high of day, possibly 25 level. The overall market is still kind of grinding higher, so watching for this possible push up. I'm watching the book map right now as well. If we can kind of break out here over 17 and then try to push up there. I'm going to get long right here. I think we're going to just go right through there. The book map looking pretty bullish for this push through 17s and then try to get that push up there to the high of day. So I'm looking for like 25 level be my target. We'll see what happens depending on how this keeps moving. If it keeps moving, obviously we're going to keep kind of riding that momentum, but right now I'm kind of pushing back up over the 21 EMA, and we'll see if we get this push through this 18 level next and then up there towards the 25s. So right now, there we go. We're in the green. Got that breakout over the 17. See if we can start squeezing. We need more momentum to get through all this kind of double top area. And then we try to get this push up here end of day Friday, the last day of the month, the last day of the quarter. Should be, I think, end of day squeeze. My end of day squeeze radar is going ping, 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 ping right now. So that was kind of the plan. Even pre-market, we talked about that idea of getting that end of day squeeze here. It's 2:30, so we got about another hour and a half. Might be some choppy action until then, but I think by the end of the day here, we should see this push up through the 20s and then possibly up there to the 30s. We got a pivot point at the 130 area here on the ES right now. So watching to see if we can get this to squeeze through 18s on the book map here. We got 19 and then 22 up there. So that 22 level definitely sitting there right now and not really much going on after that. So we've seen the last few days these big areas of liquidity act as magnets, and then the market just kind of moves up to them and takes them out. So right now kind of just setting up, I think, for that and kind of pushing up above the 21 EMA as well on the smaller 1 minute time frame there. So kind of looking for 1950, 20, and then up there towards that kind of the high of this VWAP deviation being 2675 area. So let's see if we can get the push through here. MACD about to actually just crossed as well. So MACD just crossed, and we're trying to get the push through 18s. Got a little bit of trouble here as well with we need to get back above that SPY pivot point. There's a SPY pivot point right there at the 407.38 level. I think if we get back above that, it'll be quick move up. Right now tapping it here on the 3-minute chart. Need to get the SPY back over that pivot point. Get that SPY back over that 407 pivot point here, I think. Bull, 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 baby, bull. Just want to get this pushing up there. 407.36 is that 407.37 is that pivot point right there. We kind of a little pull below there, but get back above that pivot and start pushing up there. And then here on the 15-minute chart, you can see on the ES right now, we kind of pulled back into that previous like downtrend little breakout thingy-majiggy. We broke out there, a little pullback, kind of a double top right now, but we're holding up right there at the 15s, which is bullish to kind of hold that level at where that breakout level was. Try to get this push up there. We want to basically holding this level there. I could maybe put my stop below the 11s. Just not sure I want to put on that much risk right now, end of day, but if we're going to squeeze, I think we should start squeezing sooner than later. Right now, trying to push back above that pivot point on the SPY here. We want to go through that pivot point quickly. Get that push through quick, quick, quick. Don't want to get stuck right there. We want to keep pushing. The bulls need to come in here and try to get this squeeze. We basically need those bears to get squeezed out here and cause more buying pressure to get this thing ramping up quickly. And that's, you know, obviously how we create the squeeze. There we go, back above that pivot now. Beautiful 407, looking very bullish here to get this push up there towards that 408 level here on the SPY today. Get through 19s next. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful here. Come on, baby. 1950s pushing up there. There we go to the 20s now. Let's go. We're doing it. We're doing it, baby. We're doing it. Live right here. I told you guys, gave you the whole plan, laid it all out there. Let's get this push over the high of day here, 21, and then we try to push up there towards that 25 level next. Little pullback there. It happens. Totally fine. Still kind of grinding up here. I'm staying long. I'm just going to let this. I think this is going to be a big trade for me, to be honest. So I'm going to say a big trade, but I'm going to stick with my gut. I said this morning we were looking for end of day squeeze. I'm going to let this go. I'm going to keep my stop right where it's at, the 14s, and let this ride. And I'm going to actually go. I got to clean up some stuff in the kitchen and let this ride right now. It's currently 248, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it with my phone and stuff, but I'm gonna let this keep recording and go work on some stuff. We got a little bit of time and then come back in like 15-20 minutes. Just don't want to I don't want to sit here and like stare at it too long and then talk myself out of the trade or talk myself into taking profit early. Like I want to try to get as much profit out of this as possible here end of day. So I think sometimes the best thing to do is just kind of walk away and let it ride. I mean, we're putting in a higher low right there. Everything's still very bullish here. I don't see why this doesn't push. So let's just kind of walk away. I'll keep it recording and then I'll be our BRB. I'm going to put my order. I don't know. There's a big block order. There's a bunch of orders sitting at 25 right now. So I might just put my target like right below that. The 24.50s. So we'll go 24.75. 24.75 here in today's squeeze for $2,000. Getting really good on the book map right now. On the book map, all that liquidity just acting as a magnet here through the 22s, through the highs. We get this push through 22. Looking good. Looking good. Come on, take it out. Take it out there. They're taking it out. Beautiful. Up there, the 22s now. We're going to get filled here. 24s. Well, let's go. 24.75 being my target here. End of day. It's 3 o'clock. We just got back to the house. I saw a really good setup here for this end of day squeeze. Looking for this move up right now. We're up almost $2,000 on this trade. And we're seeing if we get locked in here at the 24.75. So right now, getting this beautiful setup. My target 24.75 about to get filled. Filming the vlog. We just went wakeboarding. We just got back. Making $2,000. Let's go. Oh my, can I get filled? 24.75. About to get filled. We're about to get filled, baby. We're about to get filled. Oh, I almost got filled right there. 24.75. Come on. Take me out. Take me out. It hit my target. We hit the target. Very, 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 very close to hitting the target there. So we should get filled. We should get filled. We should get filled. I got a feeling. I got a feeling, baby. 24.75. Let's go. All right, here we go. It's gonna fill me. Look at the book map right now. Oh my, filled. Let's go. $2,000 right there. The setup, the plan, it's still gonna go higher. Now that I took profit, it's obviously gonna go higher. But look at this setup here. Everything played out exactly like we looked at. I mean, this guy, guys, why? Why do people even doubt me?